西南方向搜捕目标。
预备，放。
China's QW-12 and FN-16 are drawing global attention. In this video, we will uncover their technology, reported transfer, and significance. Reports claim Iran arranged a $60 to $70 million purchase, covering 300 to 400 Chinese QW-12 and FN-16 portable air defense systems. The proposed route reportedly began in Urumqi and continued through Pakistan. China called the information completely groundless, while Pakistan denied participating. Later sources claimed the equipment had already arrived, but no authenticated photographs, serial numbers, export documents, or Iranian announcements have verified that claim. The central mystery, therefore, remains unresolved. Was this a completed transfer, an unfinished negotiation, or inaccurate information? The QW-12 reportedly covers distances from 0.5 to 6 kilometers and altitudes between 10 meters and 4 kilometers. Its infrared guidance, countermeasure resistance, and laser proximity few support low-altitude protection against drones and other aerial platforms. During a controlled 2022 demonstration, a specially prepared aircraft released 8 infrared flares, yet the missile reportedly maintained tracking. Another test used a 122mm rocket, moving at approximately 360 meters per second. These results were impressive, although independent real-world verification remains limited, and controlled demonstrations cannot represent every possible environment. The FN-16 combines infrared and ultraviolet sensing through a dual-color quasi-imaging seeker, helping it distinguish an aerial platform from heat decoys and background interference. It also offers fire-and-forget operation and impact and laser proximity fuses. At DSA 2026 in Kuala Lumpur, China displayed a twin launcher configuration carrying 2 ready missiles. This design reduces response time and supports protection against multiple approaching drones. However, its 4-kilometer ceiling means it complements larger systems rather than replacing high-altitude or long-range air defense coverage across an entire country. These systems reveal how mobile technology is reshaping low-altitude protection, although their reported transfer and real-world performance still require confirmation.